Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class, yes, we were studying about the animals and their young ones. Yes, in the previous video class we have studied about the egg laying animals. Yes, what are egg laying animals? The animals which reproduce by laying eggs are called egg laying animals. Yes, can you see a hen has laid the eggs? Okay, it is a egg laying animal. Yes, can you give me some more example of egg laying animals? Yes, in your textbook they have given. Yes, birds, fish, turtles, frogs and reptiles. These are egg laying animals. You have to remember the example of egg laying animals. The animals which will lay the eggs to reproduce. You have to remember which are those: birds, fish, turtles, frog and reptiles. Then we have studied the internal structure of an egg. Yes, what is a eggshell? Yes, the outermost hard protective covering of the egg is known as a eggshell. It is the outermost, nothing but it is the outer part, and it is very hard, and it will protect the egg here. For that we are calling a egg shell we are calling. Then next we are having the white jelly like a structure substance, that is a albumin. White thick jelly like a substance is called a albumin, and it is also known as the egg white. And it is rich in what? Albumin is rich in a source of protein, and it protects the developing baby. Then what is the function of albumin? It protects the developing baby, and it is very rich in a protein. Albumin is rich in protein. Remember, it is very you have to mark the important lines here. Albumin is rich in proteins, and it is a white thick jelly like a substance. Another name for albumin is egg white. Okay, and what is the function of this albumin? It protects the developing baby. Next one we are having a yellow substance. That yellow color you can see. Yes, that yellow round, and round it is, that we are calling it as a egg yolk, and this yolk is rich in fat, vitamins and minerals. Okay, this is also very important. Okay, egg yolk is rich in what? Egg yolk is rich in fat, vitamins and minerals. The yolk contains a bright white spots, and that develops into a baby, and that we are calling it as a chick we are calling. Okay, this is the internal structure of a egg we have studied, and we have studied even the definition of incubation. Nothing but birds sit on the eggs to keep them warm. ಈ process ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Incubation ಅಂತೀವಿ. Let us see the definition of a next we will study about the life cycle of a hen. Yes, have you seen the hen? Yes, here is the hen picture. This is the hen. What is the life cycle of this hen? Let us see here. The hen lays eggs in its nest here. Yes, dear students, you can see here what they are telling. The hen will lay the eggs where? In a nest. Okay, it incubates the eggs so that the embryo can develop. Incubates andre helidini, incubation andre nothing but it will give warmth to that one egg. The hen will give warmness to the egg here so that embryo can develop here. ಅದು ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾರ್ಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ವಾರ್ಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೆನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Once the embryo inside the egg is completely developed, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅದು ಪೂರಾ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ? A chick prepares to come out. Yes, the chick will come out of that egg. In order to come out of the egg, the chick breaks the shell here. Yes, that egg shell, the hard protective shell, it will break. The chick will only break that one. This is known as the hatching. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು? ಹ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. The young chick grows into become an adult bird. After that the chick will grow and it becomes a bird here. The parent birds look after the chicks until they can look after themselves. See dear students, how our parents are looking after to us, in the same manner the adult hen, the parent hen will look after to the hen, will look after to the chick here. Okay, let us see with the help of the picture we'll study here. Yes, first the adult hen will lay the eggs here. Yes, it will lay the eggs. After that, yes, to that egg the mother hen warms the egg here. Nothing but incubation process aguttili. ಯಾವ process aguttili? Incubation process. Nothing but the mother, this is the mother. Okay, the mother will give warmness to that egg. Okay, once it has developed, why it is giving warmness? Because to develop here, ಅದು ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾರ್ಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ದ ಮದರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ವಾರ್ಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದ ಚಿಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದ ಶೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಚಿಕ್. ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಚಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಚಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ಹ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಚಿಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ egg shell here. This is the life cycle of a hen. First it will lay the eggs, then the mother hen warms the eggs here. Then what happens? Chick hatches out. Yes, this is the chick hatches out. Then the chick will grow and the adult hen, it grows later. This is all about the life cycle of a hen here. In a words also they have given, and even in your page number 198 they have given the picture of a life cycle of a hen. You have to practice it. Okay, read once again this para. Okay, what is hatching, how first what it will do? The hen will lay the eggs here. Where it will lay the eggs? In a nest. Good ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು? It will lay the eggs here. After laying the eggs, it incubates. Nothing but it give warm to the eggs here, warmness to the eggs. Why it is giving warmness to the eggs? Because for developing. After the egg has developed completely, the chick present inside, it will break the eggshell and it will come outside. So the same way they have explained in the life cycle of a hen also. It is very easy and it is very simple. So remember it. Yes, you can see the picture. The hen is giving, this is the incubation process. Which process? The hen is sitting on the eggs here. Why it is sitting on the eggs? For incubation. How that baby will come out, how it will break the egg, you can see here. Let us see about the water animals. Many water animals like a frog and a fish, they lay eggs too. Water animals are nothing but aquatic animals. Okay, the animals which live in a water. Frog also live in a water, fish also will live in a water. Even they will lay eggs too. A fish may lay 100 of eggs at a time. See dear students, a fish ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು eggs ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾವು? 100 of eggs. However, only few of hundreds grow into baby fish. In that 100 eggs, only few will grow into a baby fish. ಎಲ್ಲ 100 baby fish ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲಂತೆ. Only few will grow into a baby fish. Remember these points. Fish and frog are the aquatic animals. Even they will lay the eggs here. The fish will lay 100 of eggs, but all 100 will not grow. Only few will grow into a baby fish. Dear students, today we have studied about the life cycle of a hen. In the next video class, we will study about the life cycle of a frog. Till that, you study till here and mark the important points in your textbook and make up points in your rough book. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.